Hi guys, it's Lulu from Boho Locs here, and I am about to bring you one of our biggest updates ever. And this color has probably been in the making for over a year. Okay, this is like my baby. I've been working on it and I'm so excited to drop this color. So a lot of you have been asking us to do lighter colors, lighter blondes, different things, mix it up a little bit. And my thing has always been to get the right color that works for us. So I could have gone out and just developed any blonde, but I don't do things like that. So I really wanted to develop a blonde that works, that basically is for us. And I would like to introduce you guys, I'm so excited, to our brand new color, Lit. I'm in love. Let me get it out. So Lit is our brand new blonde color, but it's not just any blonde, it's actually a triple tone color. And triple tone is something we've never done before at Boho Locs. So you can see we start off with a light brown, and then we fade into a light blonde, and then we fade into a platinum blonde. So it's 3 colors. It took ages to develop, but I'm so excited. I can't wait to drop this hair. And today I'm going to be doing an install of this on the lovely Anona, who is part of our customer service team here at Boho Locs. I've never installed these before and I can't wait to see the results. These are our Lit locks and this is Anona. And we are about to install these babies on her, and I've never done this install before. I'm so excited. And you get 120 of these beautiful triple tone locks, which is more than enough for a full head install. We also provide you with a 30-pack accessory kit, so you can really have fun with the locks, get creative and let your creativity shine through. So I've got a tip for you. If you have longer hair and you're wanting to do the double wrapping in the front, traditionally what I've always done is like held the hair down and like wrapped the hair around it. But what I have now done, and it really works super well if you have long hair, is if you take your hair and wrap your hair around the top of the lock. So you're gonna get it, what would be maybe 5-6 inches is literally gonna go into a space of around about an inch and a half. So we're gonna wind that round first to reduce the length, and then we're gonna double wrap on top of that, and it just saves a lot of time and a lot of hair, and it's just a super fast, super quick way to get it done. So once you've wrapped the natural hair around the lock, making it about an inch or so long, you're gonna go in with your wrapping hair as normal. So we're gonna crochet under, we're gonna pull through, and now we're gonna wrap. And as you can see, there's a huge difference between only having to wrap that as opposed to having to wrap that much. Separate the hair out as you go. And go in with a little drop of glue, wrap, and seal. And there you've got it. So you've double wrapped all of her hair in about an inch and a half to 2 inches. So it's far faster to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest. here are the results, guys. Anona is rocking our lit boho goddess look, and we are loving this look. It's her first time ever being this light, but we absolutely love it, and we can't wait to see you guys slay in this color. But I've got good news to share with you, and that is how much hair we have left. So if you remember, each pack of Boho Locs comes with 120 locks, and of that we have left 40 here plus about 10 here, so we've got 30 left. So that means we've used 90 or so locks for this look. Now, if you want to, you can make them fuller. Go ahead, make them fuller, fill them out if you want to. We're gonna go for this kind of look today. I might dot in maybe these 10 because they're loose, but with the rest that you've got left, you can redo the front, rewrap the front, do what you like. We like you to be able to be creative at Boho Locs, but we just wanna welcome lit to the Boho Locs family.